Now we will start with actual preparation of dibenzyl acetone. Two things you have to remember. One important thing, that handbook is not with you, therefore you have to remember the procedure. The procedure is very easy. You have to remember 2-3 points. Okay. Then the chemicals which are required, they are in front of me now all together. You will not be getting such that means chemicals together in front of you. You have to go to the side table. Okay, on side table chemicals are arranged together. There you have to go and take the chemicals. Okay, so we will start now. Benzaldehyde, then acetone, methylated spirit or alcohol, and 10% NaOH. These are the 4 chemicals which are required. So 5 drops of benzaldehyde we have to take. You have to take 5 drops of benzaldehyde with the help of dropper from the bottle. Okay. So in the conical flask you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. After that, in the same conical flask you have to take 2 drops of acetone with the help of another dropper. Don't use same dropper for all the chemicals. 2 drops of acetone we have taken in the same conical flask. We are going to put cork to conical flask which contains acetone because it is volatile, you know. Okay. Then in the same conical flask we are going to add 5 ml of methylated spirit with the help of measuring cylinder. Okay. So these 3 chemicals we are going to take in the same conical flask. Okay, what we have taken? We have taken 5 drops of benzaldehyde with the help of dropper. Okay, then 2 drops of acetone with the help of another dropper, and 5 ml of ethanol or methylated spirit with the help of measuring cylinder. Okay, you are going to put the cork and you are going to shake the flask well. After shaking it, you have to add 10% NaOH. 10% NaOH will be given to you separately. You are not going to use NaOH which is in front of you in bottle, in rack. So with the help of dropper again, 1 ml, that is 10 drops of this NaOH you are going to add in the same conical flask. So drop wise you are going to add and side by side you are going to shake. Okay. So see, I am adding 2-3 drops. Okay, putting the cork and shaking it. 3 more. Shaking it. 3 more. 9 drops I have added. I am shaking it. And 1 more drop. Okay, so 10 drops, that means 1 ml I have added. And I am putting the cork and I am going to shake it for 10 minutes. Okay, so you are going to shake it vigorously like this for 10 minutes. In between you have to, after 2-3 minutes, each 2-3 minutes, you are going to remove cork so that the pressure which is released, pressure which is developed can be released. So like this you are going to shake it well for 10 minutes. You are going to use watch for that. Okay, so I am not going to shake here for 10 minutes. What you are going to do, you are going to hold the neck of the conical flask. All the chemicals are there, benzaldehyde, acetone, isn't it? Then methylated spirit and NaOH. And you are shaking it for 10 minutes. After shaking for 10 minutes like this, you are going to wait for 20 minutes. You are going to keep aside your flask 20 minutes. In between you can do your another experiment also. Okay, so 20 minutes you are going to keep your flask aside, and then you are going to keep your flask in ice cold water. So such ice cold water will be provided to you. Okay, and you are going to put that flask in ice cold water for some time. Okay, when you are shaking for 10 minutes, that time only you will be able to observe crystals which are formed in the conical flask. Okay. Now after keeping in ice cold water, okay, you will get crystals, nice crystals, yellow color crystals like this will be developed. Okay. Now after that you have to filter the crystals. So filtration unit will be like this, tripod stand, okay, funnel, one beaker you can keep below that, and you are going to fold the filter paper like this, one fold, second fold, okay, like boat we are preparing, isn't it? Then one side and three sides aside and one side aside, and you are going to put this, fix this in a funnel, and then you are going to, with the help of glass rod, okay, you are going to shake it well so that the crystals will come, and you have to filter the crystals. Whatever is falling down, that is not of use. Okay, crystals will be on the filter paper. Those crystals which are yellow in color, you are going to write down observation yellow, okay, and that is your product. Okay, you must have understood the experiment, which is very easy. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.